Good morning, friends. This is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up, and one of my twins has figured out how to open doors. Oh boy. So yesterday, Thomas opened the door and he got in there in our bedroom and he actually locked the door. So my husband had to take a butter knife to get the door open. But yeah, time to put these on. Come on, guys, get out of there. Come on, let's go. Come on. Playing with their Easter eggs. Close the door. So, yes, I'm going to put this on there. I gotta put the phone down. So the two pieces are just supposed to kind of snap into place and close like that. Now they'll have to figure out how to open around it to get it open. But these work pretty well. So yeah, we're getting those up all over the house. Not only do my kids know how to open doors now my dog knows how to open door. So yeah, those things definitely work. I'll put a couple links down to the bottom to some different ones you could purchase on Amazon. They come, there's like a variety of different ones you can get. But these are awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, friends. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell.